Welcome back into the tutorial series of ANSYS. In this video, I'm going to explain you something about automation and using object generator as a tool to perform steps, repetitive steps you may have to perform while doing meshing or applying loads, etc. So this is also going to be a very time saving trick for you. Let's go into it. So it can copy your mesh from one part to another. It can copy your pressure conditions, boundary conditions, loads, named selection from a part, from an edge, etc. inside your from your tree to multiple bodies. So other bodies, other faces, etc. So from one face to multiple face, it can automatically do the things. So this is how it will look like, and let's go into ANSYS and figure it out the things from there itself. So when I close it, so I have no object generator right now. So you go into the automation tab on the top and you will have the tools. The first tool itself is object generator. So the first task is you need to select the thing which you need to copy. So some things are allowed, some things cannot be object generated. So you need to figure out things. I have figured out that all the things which are related to mesh, name selection, static structural boundary conditions, and loads all are possible to be made by object generator. So I can select on a mesh object. So under tree, I'm selecting body size. So in this in the right panel, I have object generator. In the selected tree item, the body sizing is appearing right now. Now the current selection can be made. So the current selection is itself the part. This is the part which on which the body sizing is applied. Now for the adjacent entities or all entities by part. So I can click on what individual items or a group of items I need to it scope to. So I'll click on that and I'll click on the other four parts now. Name, prefix, and apply tags. So I can put specific tags or prefixes to all the name selections, but I'm avoiding it right now. So I'll just click on generate and it will generate the body sizing for all other parts. So the original body sizing is applicable to this blue body now. But if I click on body sizing 2, it is on the second body sizing 3, 4, and 5, they have been automatically generated. Now, whatever controls I have inside the body sizing, they are not coming up back automatically to the object generated body sizing. So for the advanced selections, whatever I have made in the original body sizing method, I need to again do those. But a half part of my task has been directly completed by the object generator. The same can be applied to swap method. So swap method has been applicable to this part. If I click on it, the source is already taken into account. So I can avoid taking a source for selecting the name selection. There is an option to for target. So the source and target are coming because in the swap method, I have an option to choose the source and target. Over here, they are program control, but can individually also choose. So I can click on that and choose for manual source and manual target. And then again, I can click on all entities by part and generate the swap method for all the entities. So the swap method has been copied down to all the individual parts. The same can be done with pressure. So if I have applied a pressure over there, the pressure can also be applied to multiple faces. So I can click on face and it will give me another pressure for each of the face. So that's how we can do automation. You can see that the pressure has been copied and the applied value for pressure was 2 megapascal in the original one. The same value has been copied. So over here also the basic features in which the body sizing size had been taken up to 3.8, the same sizing can be applied. But I had also clicked on parameter set. That parameter set has not been activated over here, so that we need to do manually. So these are the features. This is one of the very best feature I have figured out till now. So that may be very helpful for you when you want to have or have a very complex geometry and want to save some time. Thank you.